Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss about data destruction methods. So we need to understand all those destruction methods. The difference between those destruction methods, we may see one or two questions related to this topic, data destruction methods. So let's quickly go through all these destruction method one by one. First one is erasing. Erasing means simply deleting a file. But what we need to keep in mind that the data is still recoverable using basic tools, right? So as we all know that when we erase the data, that can be recovered, right? Sometimes we delete or erase, we can recover it from recycle bin. Second is clearing, overwriting. So it means overwrites the data with new values like OS, like zeros and ones. That means it prevents recovery using normal software tools. So this also can be recovered, but it cannot be recovered with normal software tools. It is used when reusing devices in the same secure environment, right? So now the third one is purging. Purging is a stronger version of clearing, meant for reuse in less secure environment, harder to recover even with advanced methods, right? So it is harder to recover as compared to clearing. It can be recovered, but we might need some advanced methods, right? Fourth one is decosing. Degaussing. Using it uses a strong magnet field to scramble and erase data. It works on magnet storage, for example, hard drives and tapes. It's not effective on SSD or optical disks. So it is only effective for hard drives and tapes, but it is not effective on SSD or optical disk. The last one is destruction. Destruction is physically destroying the media. For example, shredding or crushing. Most secure method, no data can be recovered. It is final step before uh, disposal, right? So if we see all these methods, what we need to understand which method is relatively easy to recover the data, right? Erasing, for instance, it performs a delete operation, but it can be recovered. Clearing, again, uh, it can be recovered using normal software tools. Purging is a more intense uh, form of clearing, right? When when the data is cleared using this purging method, it might be recovered, but it is hard to recover even with the advanced method. Uh, degaussing is create a strong magnet field, uh, but it works on magnet storage, for example, hard drive tapes. No effective on SSD or optical disks. Destruction, no data can be recovered, right? It is then completely destroyed. So that is a quick session about data destruction methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. If any feedback or comments, please share in the comment section.